Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Today we are going to see how to pass list from controller to view. So in this, we'll first create the model for the invoice detail, create the action in controller to serve the request, and we create the view for displaying the data. And what are the different way to passing the data from controller to view? So let's switch to the Visual Studio. So we are in our MUC project. So this is like a general structure. Here we should create the controller, the models and the views. The first step, we need to create the model. So let's create the model inside the models folder. Right click model, add the class, give the name, invoice details. Here we have added the model. Let's add the properties, invoice number, get set, setter. Let's add the invoice date, public date time, invoice date. Then we'll need item, invoice, item name. Okay. Then we'll get item price. So decimal item, item price, and the quantity of item, integer, item, quantity. Okay, now we have created the some basic invoice detail models. We can extend more on this as per our requirement. So just build this. Now next step is to add the action. So expand the controller. Inside the home controller, we will add our action, or we can do, we'll create the separate controller which serves the invoice details. We can add the add controller. We'll create empty controller, give it the name invoice controller. Okay, so inside that we'll add the action, public action result. So inside that we'll add the name, action result. The name will call the invoice details. Okay, and return the invoice details, return view. So next step is to add the view. So how should add? We can go and directly add from here, or you can right click on the action and just click on the add view. Keep it the name invoice details same with the action name. Next it's asking for the template. So we need to select our model, the type of template, create, delete details. We need a list, so we'll select the list. The model class, just select the model which we have created the invoice details. So this type of view is called strongly type view. Keep use layout as it is and just add. Okay, so once you add the view, you will see this, the table structure, default table structure is created. So now let's create some default list which will return to the view. So what will they return? Invoice details. So we need to add the reference. Okay, so we have created the list. So let's add the item inside the list. we'll just add the default item. First one is invoice number, so we'll keep it as a 101. Then the invoice date, we'll assign date, today's date, date time dot now, so we'll get today's date. Item name, so I will call as a item 1. Next, item price, so I will keep it as a $70, $70. And the item quantity, I will keep it as a 5. Okay, so it's a decimal, so we need to give 70 as a value. Similar way, add the again 3 to 4 items inside the list for our testing. So I will call it as a 102 item 2. Uh, I will assign the price 100. Let's change the quantity to 15. Similar way, add another item 103, date item 3 150, and make it as a 10. So in this way we can add the item inside our list. You can do one thing, you can we can fetch the details from the database with the service. So as per our requirement, we can fetch the data and pass to the view. So after creating the list, we need to pass this detail to the view. So the way is passing the, how we can pass, the first way is to pass with the view back list. The another way is view data. View data list equals to invoice details. But as we are using here the strongly type view, so we don't need this. So we'll simply pass our model list to the view. Okay, so it's returning to the view. Make sure the model you added, you must import the namespace over here, otherwise it will not available. Just run and check. So how should check that? Our controller name invoice, our action name invoice detail, as we don't have any menu implementation as of now. So we simply run. Look, we are getting the list of uh, added the item inside the model. So in this way, we add the list or pass the list from controller to view.